Welcome to another video on HTML5 tutorial. In this part, we will learn about tables in HTML. Table element represents tabular data that is show data on the web page in rows and columns. Table starts with table tag. It is the main container of the table. T-head is used to define header area of table. It contains th tags to show headings for columns. tbody is a container for the main data of table. tr is used to define a table row which contains td or table data tag to show the actual data. bg color is a legacy tag. Most of the table styling is done in CSS now. We are using it just to show different areas of the table. Colspan is used to merge two or more columns. Rowspan is used to merge two or more rows. Let's take a look at another example. Text and images can be shown side by side in table format. Tables can be merged together to have a complex table layout. It means a table can have another table inside one of its table data tag. Let's have a look at merge tables. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.